In today's world, diversity isn't just about who you hire, it's about how you empower them once they're part of your team. Welcome to the future of work, where proactive neuroinclusion is transforming the way we do business. Imagine a workplace where everyone's needs are met without the need for awkward requests. A space designed from the ground up to be sensory-friendly, flexible, and inclusive. Proactive neuroinclusion isn't just about making work accessible, it's about unleashing the full potential of every individual. When employees don't have to worry about fitting in, they're free to focus on what they do best. From quiet zones to flexible seating, the right environment can make all the difference. And it's not just good for employees, it's good for business too. Companies that embrace neuroinclusion see the benefits in creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. It's not just a trend, it's the future. So how do you start? It's about more than policies. It's about culture. Begin by creating spaces where everyone can thrive. The results? A happier, more engaged workforce that's ready to take on the world. Let's build workplaces where everyone belongs. Because when we all thrive, we all succeed. Join us on this journey towards a more inclusive, more successful future.